ELLO&ALLO stainless steel shower panel tower system, hydroelectricity display rain massage with jets, brushed black. Shower panel has a rainfall waterfall shower head water spout, a multifunctional 3-setting handheld shower and body jet spray pattern. Plumbing components are included, super easy install. Installation guide video on YouTube as a reference. Hydroelectricity temperature display that assists you to select the best water temperature 100 degrees Fahrenheit and can let you know the time of the shower. Shower system material, 304 stainless steel brushed black finish, concealed brackets design. Makes it both modern and clean looking. The shower panel tower allows you to turn 2 of them on at same time, if you so desire. The key is water pressure. Limited 2-year parts warranty from date of purchase. If you buy from an unauthorized seller the similar appearance of the product, please pay attention to its quality and warranty function. It will affect your bathing experience.